In this project you'll learn step by step how to modify a microwave oven transformer into a high current device that can pump out 800 amps of electrical current. Start by finding an old microwave for free. The bigger, the better. You can find them in various places, like on free classified ads, or in your neighbor's garbage can. Caution, make sure you're familiar with the dangers of opening a microwave, because there are components inside that may still carry a charge and could hurt, or even kill you. The transformer core is only held together by two very thin welds, as seen on the side of this one. A hacksaw, or angle grinder, can be used to cut the weld, then a hammer and chisel used to break it open, giving you access to the primary and secondary coils. Be very careful taking the primary coil out because you'll need it again. Make sure not to bend, break or scratch it in any way. Step 3. Rewind the coils. These are the E and I sections of the core, and have been scraped with a chisel to remove glue and paper stuck to the insides. The next step is to carefully replace the primary coil, and ensure it's snug at the bottom of the core. Then add a 5-foot length of 2 AWG insulated copper cable. This thicker cable will extend the amount of time a massive electrical current can flow before the cable overheats. The secondary cable is only wrapped 1 3/4 times around the center. Glue it back together. You don't have a way to weld the base back on. You can use some 2-part epoxy glue and apply to all the surfaces that will be in contact. Then clamp it together to let the glue set. The output voltage on this is just barely over 2 volts. But the amps are closer to 800. That's enough current to melt iron nails and steel bolts on contact. Step 6. Spot welder. I found a practical use for the metal melter, in making a spot welder like this one.